at the Strike Gymnasium here in Bacoor, Cavite. This is Influencers Cup. Make some noise for Jeric Barrera! And also we got Kuis Eman. Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for Ezra. And now here is the big Kalabaw ng Isabela! And also please welcome Coach Dwight! And now, ladies and gentlemen, give it up for the Kobe ng Cavite, Boss Jonah! Together with their muse, Commander Carla, and they are the Brusco Brothers! Ladies and gentlemen, they are the defending champs. And now, ladies and gentlemen, let us welcome the defending champions. Introducing first, make some noise for Twin Hill! Also, please welcome RJ Aragon! And also, please welcome the strong Patricio! And also please welcome Dante. And now, ladies and gentlemen, here is MCT Hoops. And of course, please welcome, needing no introduction, ako si Doggy! And let us also call on their head coach, Coach MCT. And now, give it up for the defending champion of Motivated 3x3 Season 2, once again, Team Doggy!
Okay, Boss Jonah, Motivated Season 3. Ano ang aasahan ng mga Motivated 3x3 fans ngayon sa Brusco Brothers?
Bali, magandang hapon muna sa mga kapitenyo dyan sa Bacoor. So, yun, bali, gagawin namin yung best namin ng Brusco. Bahala na si Lord. Bali, magbibigay lang ako ng isang Bible verse, guys. You're gonna make it, trust me, Psalms 2 verse 3. Ikaw na bahala, Lord. Manalo matalo. Sa'yo lahat ng glory. I love you.
Maraming salamat, Boss Jonah and the Brusco Bros. Abangan nyo dahil syempre laging mainit kapag nandyan ang Brusco Brothers. Maraming salamat, Boss Jonah. Good luck. The defending champ at ang kanilang syempre leader, Boss Doggy. Ano ang ginawang paghahanda ng Motivated 3x3 Season 2 Grand Champion team ni Boss Doggy para mapanatili nila ang kampyonato ngayong Motivated 3x3 Season 3?
Wala po, kasi bumabagyo po eh. Kasi yung court po sa amin sa Pangasinan, open court po siya. So hindi po kami makapaglaro po ng basketball. Aminado naman po. Baka this time hindi po namin ma-defend yung champion kasi patak naman po lahat ng kalaban.
Yung kakompetensya mo ng Brusco Bros, talagang pinaghandaan kayo.
Ang gusto ko lang po talaga, magandang basketball. Mas maganda nga po pag may mas magaling para mas competitive at matuto po kami.
Grabe, ang humble talaga nito ni Boss Doggy. Salamat, Boss Doggy, Thank you po and good luck, good luck.
Magandang lalaki sa ating lahat, ano? Salamat. Siyempre, di ba? Lahat tayo magandang lalaki, no? Dito, sa game na to, lahat tayo, or kayo, influencers kayo, dito, sa loob ng Motivated 3x3, isang advokasya ang sinusulong natin. Okay? Pinapanood kayo ng mga tao, pinapanood kayo especially ng mga kabataan, iniidolo kayo. Pag nakikita kayo ng negatibo niyang mga yan, ina-unfollow kayo, lalo ginagaya kayo, which is pangit. Okay? Basketball is a contact sports. Basketball is a physical sports. You can play physically on this game, pero don't play dirty.
Iiwasan natin na magkasakitan. Lalo na yung may mga hugot na parang sa iba-ibang team. Kasi may mga outside the league, may mga ginagawa din tayo, may mga commitments tayo. So pag influencer, ingatan natin yung isa't isa. Ayun, iwasan natin magsakitan.
Okay. Ang ibig sabihin niya, iwasan na magkasakitan. Yung sinasadya nyo na, kakilala nyo na, kaibigan nyo na, sinasaktan nyo pa rin. Okay? Physical lang tayo. In a normal playing of basketball. Pero, huwag kayong hahantong doon sa magsusuntukan kayo. Pag nasaktan nyo, sorry. Pag masasahod nyo, sahurin nyo na. O saluhin nyo na. Eh? Huwag nang abutan yung gaanuhan pa kayo. Basketball lang to. Eh? Yung pride, nandyan yan. Yung gusto nyo mag-champion, nandyan yan. Pero yung papakita nyo sa mga tao, pag in-upload tong mga games ninyo, dapat positibo magiging ano nila. Alright? Kami mga referee, re-respetuhin namin kaya sa players. Sana ganun din kayo. Ibalik nyo rin sa amin. We're not perfect. Tao lang din kami nagkakamali. There's no perfect officiating. Okay? So at the end of the day, sa mananalo, congratulations. Sa matatalo, better luck next time. Any questions? Wala na.
Pwedeng mag-contest na po.
Clarification lang. Yung contest kasi iba yun. Katulad ng?
For example, nag-foul kayo. Gusto namin ipa-replay.
Hindi pwede.
Pwede tayo.
Kung nag-foul, ng regular foul, at sa tingin namin, pang-upgrade siya, i-reviewin namin doon. Kasi this season 3, meron kami instant replay. May slow-mo kami. Katulad kanina.
Mas maganda po.
Okay.
So pag may nagkakainitan din, minsan ilalabas muna natin. Okay? Para hindi tumuloy. Kasi kanina iba na yung laro eh. Di ba?
Okay.
Pag di ba na rebound, tinira ng kalaban.
Clear ball.
Tatapak lang sa
Dalawang pa.
lalabas talaga.
Dalawang pa.
Dalawang pa. Tapos
Sinclair
stop time
talaga.
tayo, hindi siya running time para mas mahaba yung game. Okay?
Okay? Any questions pa po?
Alright, okay.
Over, under.
Over. 1, 2, 3!
Okay, yung partner, as I was saying, yung briefing kanina, akala ko Senate hearing na Grabe.
Two Titans, two legacies, one rematch to
Ito na,
settle it
unang bola.
all.
Boss Doggy
Doggy, the mastermind, always strategizing, always ready for the challenge. Brusco Bros, a force of raw power, never backing down, always coming back stronger. This is the rematch we've all been waiting for. Who will rise and who will fall? This is war, and this is the rematch between Brusco Bros and Team Doggy, coming to you live here from Strike Gymnasium in Bacoor, Cavite. Charles Bichong here. Pao, salute at your service for today.
And there was one score right away from Brusco Bros. And Charles, I remember this game, this matchup like it was yesterday. Mainit na mainit itong laban na to. So for those that are watching, you better focus on this one. Like that guy, I still remember that glide from MCT Hoops. Boss Jonah attacking there. Misses that one though. And I can already feel the intensity.
That's correct. It's just on another level.
Look at this. MCT Hoops. Beautiful layup. 1-all.
Boss Doggy gets the rebound. 10 seconds to work with. Nowhere to go. Here's MCT against Jonah. MCT Hoops! Top of the key too. No problem.
If you're forgetting, those who caught the last season, MCT was one of the best players there. And he continues to be the best player.
For Team Doggy, you have Trinil, RJ Aragon, Patricio, Donkey, MCT Hoops, and syempre, ako si Doggy. Para naman sa Brusco Brothers, we have Jonah, Jeric Barrera, Quiz Eman, Ezra, Kalabaw ng Isabela, at si Coach Dwight. At ang kanilang muse, si Commander Carla.
Commander Carla. While you were saying that, there was a warning for delay to the game from Team Doggy. Team Doggy.
Here's Doggy, wide open, long distance bomb, won't go. Kalabaw ng Isabela with a rebound. Kicks it out to Jonah. Kobe ng Pinas, won't go.
Oh, look, shoot. Offensive foul.
One thing about Kalabaw ng Isabela, he will always muscle his way through. But that time,
parang mas malaki sa kanya yung binangga niya. Nakakatakot yung build ng Kalabaw. Kalabaw talaga. Yan,
Kalabaw ng Isabela.
Nangalabaw na nga.
Here's Boss Doggy against Jonah. You like that matchup. This is the matchup we've all been waiting for. Boss Doggy, Jonah, battling it out for glory.
You know what it is? It's not just basketball, it's supremacy. Sino ba talaga? This is a finals matchup from last season.
Here's JM Barrera against MCT Hoops. Great defense by MCT.
Looked like he stepped on the line though. MCT has the 3 points of the total 4 points of Team Doggy so far. Jonah outside, no good.
Here's Boss Doggy once again. MCT Hoops against Jonah.
Wow! Nice hustle
and defense ni Jonah. 3-0.
Oh, naabutan sila na shot clock. Naabutan yun. Great defense.
7:36 remaining here in this game. 4-2 is the score. Kalabaw sets the pick. Jonah sidesteps. Patricio has it.
Ganda talaga ng depensa. Ito na, MCT Hoops attacking. A hard foul. It's a hard one.
Tignan natin ulit yung galaw ni MCT Hoops. Baseline, clearly a foul.
MCT Hoops, pag nalingat ka dyan, maiiwanan ka talaga. And all you can do is foul him.
Squeeze Eman called for the foul. MCT Hoops, wala pang sinasablayan dito sa laro na to. Here's Boss Jonah. 8 seconds to work with. Drops it off to Kalabaw ng Isabela against Patricio.
Same side, same result. Kalabaw, lakas talaga. Look at that. And the pass with style. And shot it in, plus the foul.
Whenever he has the ball, you expect to bang bodies with him.
Look at that body, bro. Nakakatakot talaga bumangga dito. Kalabaw na kalabaw. 5-3 naman pa rin po si Team Doggy. 7:09.
Here's Patricio. Wanted to give it to MCT Hoops.
ISO flying.
Wow.
Everything but the basket.
Still a 2-point lead. Tignan muna natin yung galaw dito ni MCT Hoops.
Look at that.
Jordan-esque.
Yes. Binuhat ang bola.
Quality yan. Broadcast quality lahat. Oh.
Grabe. Team Doggy, 5 versus Team Brusco Brothers, 3. 6 minutes 48 seconds. Mahaba pa ang oras, partner.
We still got time. 6
Pero,
minutes and 48 seconds.
Grabe na pukpukan.
Yes, ito. At makikita mo talaga, hindi nagsasayang ng panahon. They are taking their time, using their time out. At talaga, ito, MCT.
MCT Hoop asking for the ball.
6:47 remaining here in this game. There's some allegations last season. All the talk, everything. Pero they will have this chance to settle it once and for all. MCT against Jonah. MCT with 2.
No good.
Kanila pa rin ang bola. MCT thought about it. He drives baseline. Kicks it out.
defense
Jonah.
talaga. Good steal there by Jonah.
Here's the step through. Won't go. Kalabaw ng Isabela.
What else can you do? When he gets the ball there, automatic. Ano bang pwedeng huminto sa kalabaw? That's a missed shot though. 5-14 Doggy still in the lead.
Here's Boss Jonah. Now to kalabaw ng Isabela. Jonah fakes. Muntik pang mawala sa kanila yung bola. 7 seconds to work with. Same ball tayo. 6 minutes exactly remaining here in this game. Isa na lang ang lamang ng Team Doggy. Kalabaw ng Isabela.
Nasa labas siya this time, so I wouldn't recommend this. Mas maganda pag nasa loob siya. Ayan na. Short again. He's been trying, but I guess he should try to go ins first para at least maramdaman niya yung shot, yung pasok. Nakailan tira na siya sa labas, Mintes.
JM Barrera checked in once again para sa Brusco Brothers.
Pinapabayaan siya doon.
Oo nga eh. Kalabaw ng Isabela. Force in the paint. Here's MCT. Against JM Barrera, he spins. MCT, wow, just making it look so easy.
Ibang klase talaga itong movement nito. Sarap panoodin itong MCT Hoops.
Here's Boss Jonah with 7. Kalabaw sets the pick. Jonah.
Pinasan ako, hindi in-expect yun ng Kalabaw.
MCT
is gonna go all in. A little bit short, but does it anyway.
Jonah fakes. Jonah
nagpasabit.
Draws the foul. Tignan uli natin yung galaw ni Jonah na yun.
Look at that.
High IQ play from Boss Jonah. Timeout has been called by Team Doggy once again. 5:11 is the remaining time. Team Doggy by 2.
Penalty na sila. Kung kaya mo pasabihin na. Penalty na. Dapat tayo ang dalawa. Ang tayo dalawa. Walang 3 points ha. Walang challenge lang. Si Jonah lang naman tumitira ng 2 points.
At syempre, partner, hindi naman tatawag.
Back to the board.
2 shots, Boss Jonah. Score is 7-5 in favor of Team Doggy. 5 minutes.
So Boss Jonah on the line right now, shooting 2 free throws. He can tie this game at 7 apiece, and he makes the first.
He needed that one. He has been trying, really. We know that Boss Jonah is a scorer, so he will try to score as many as he can.
Second one is a miss. Now MCT Hoops wide open.
Short.
Just coming up short. Kanya pa rin ang bola. The effort by MCT.
It's just that good. He misses. He got the shot.
Jonah steps back. Patay ang butike. There's a smile on his face. May asaran pa. MCT recovers. Napeke ay.
What was that? Ito pa isa. Too many sauce.
JM Barrera against MCT Hoops. JM Barrera masyadong malapad para kay MCT.
Simple lang pero rock. Pasok yan.
RJ Aragon recovers. He's against Kalabaw ng Isabela. Now MCT
tries again.
Kalabaw ng Isabela, the emphatic rebound. Parang hirap tamaan ng braso ni Kalabaw ng Isabela.
Pag nakita mo siya may hawak ng bola, umatakbo sa bola, parang tatabi ka na lang.
Si Kalabaw ng Isabela. Dahil kahit Kalabaw na tumatakbo, napapagod din yan.
MCT Hoops.
Now it's RJ Aragon against Jonah. RJ with 4 seconds remaining. And they lose the leather.
Good defense. You know what, Boss Jonah has been doing great in his defense. He just need to control himself in offense. Masyado siyang nagigil na makascore. Ayan na naman, titira na naman.
MCT Hoops called for a foul as he was escaping from that pick galing kay JM Barrera, or Jerick Barrera rather. Here's Jerick once again against MCT Hoops. 7 remaining. JM.
Apat ang sumalubong, ay 3 ang sumalubong sa kanya. Puro orange yun, no?
Tignan natin.
Paligitan siya ng mga orange player. Hinabol, nasabitan.
Clearly a foul. And Boss Doggy admits it. MCT Hoops has the leather. Being heavily guarded right now. Walang problema!
Halos
sumakay ka pa!
Halos madapa na, but nonetheless, got it. There you go, finally!
Agad namang binawi ni Boss Jonah.
Ito na, hanggat pag napuslo mo, tuloy-tuloy na yan. Tingnan natin kung matuloy-tuloy ni Boss Jonah. MCT Hoops tries to attack the basket.
Tingnan natin ulit yun, Boss Jonah. All confidence on that shot. Swishes that one in.
That is why he is called Kobe ng Cavite.
Simon has been...
Ito kaliwa, ibigay mo na. Hoy, makinig! Ibigay nyo na yung kaliwa. Pagsumunod, parang kayo na
yung isang level pinag-iba na classification.
Yung isang side.
So may kalabaw, may baka, may sisiw, may goat. Kumpleto tayo, sisiw pa lang yan. Pag lumaki yan, iba.
Now MCT Hoops on the line. So no timeouts left for both teams as they've used it all together. Now it's Boss Jonah against RJ Aragon. Thought about it. Jerick against MCT, muscling his way through. Nilabas lang yung bola.
Medyo malakas yun.
Now it's MCT firing away. Bingo! Jonah once again.
Yun nga sabi ko, medyo gigil siya eh. He can go inside. Pinasa.
Good read from MCT Hoops. Alam niya agad na ipapasa na lang. Hindi niya talaga iaangat eh.
Team Doggy in the lead 12-9, and MCT Hoops easily looking like the best player.
Team Doggy right now up by 3. Boss Jonah had a straight line on that shot.
Rebound. Doggy. Uy, nasundutan.
Kalabaw ng Isabela. Now it's MCT Hoops. Steps on the line.
Unforced error. Medyo masakit yung mga ganun mga unforced error.
Depensa lang. Number 1, defense para makapag-offense kami. Okay? Yan lang.
2 minutes and 37 seconds remaining here in this game. Team Doggy up by 12-10 is the score.
Great attacks pero short.
Now here's Doggy against Kalabaw ng Isabela. 9 seconds to work with Doggy. Nowhere to go. Masyadong matigas ang katawan ng Kalabaw ng Isabela.
Namilit din si Doggy, namilit.
Oh! Kalabaw ng Isabela overpowering his way inside.
Iba ang lakas ng Kalabaw.
Now it's MCT. Donkey! Oh, his first points of the game, of the alley-oop.
What a highlight play right there.
Now it's Donkey recovers. MCT hoops against Jonah. Dalawa lamang ng Team Doggy. MCT firing away! Knocks it down.
I like that leaning forward outside shot, no? Oh, Kalabaw.
Oh, he got blocked twice. Return to center, says Team Doggy.
Look at that. Ang Kalabaw, buti na lang may dalawang matador dyan. And that was 1-2 blocks.
MCT recovers after that miss. 4-point lead para sa Team Doggy. MCT, series of moves. Kanya pa rin ang bola. Bumitin! Flex on them! MCT, let them know who you are!
After a miss, he recovers the ball and flies through the air. Bumitin pa, pogi na. Macho pa. Nag-flex pa siya. Look at this. Parang reminiscent of Michael Jordan talaga. Yung gumano, no?
Sumabay ka pa.
Flex, MJ and LeBron.
Huwag ka lang malikot.
Ang tunay na Kalabaw. Wala
MCT hoops. On another level. Boss Jonah, Kalabaw offers the pick.
Good read. Offense, defense. Certainly on another level.
1 minute and 8 seconds remaining. MCT against Kalabaw. Ganda ng depensa.
Anticipated that time, no?
Jonah, clearly a foul by Donkey. Ganda talaga ng galaw ni Jonah. Napapakagat talaga yung depensa.
Yeah, well, there's two things that we need to recognize. Boss Jonah is really gonna take that shot. So, pag pinabayaan mo, it's hard for you to say, oh, he's gonna fake it. So, you gotta have to jump. And when he fakes it, you got the bait.
Brusco Bros. It's Boss Jonah knocking down the first, but it's 55 seconds remaining. Apat pa ang kalamangan ng Team Doggy.
It's a really critical moment na to.
Sobrang solid, pero kalalabasan nito kami pa rin manila.
Oh, dapat dalawang paa ang nakalabas sa linya.
Miscue yun, Charles. That's a costly mistake.
Brusco Bros can take this to their advantage. Jonah from way out.
What else? You know what to expect. Boss Jonah's gonna take that shot. MCT hoops. Probably gonna do some ISO again.
Oh! Welcome to your Kodak moment! MCT hoops pero agad namang binawi.
Walang kaba-kaba.
Doggy on the other end!
Miscue again. I think he didn't put it out. Sayang yung opportunity na yun. Nakakagigil. But look at that layup. Sumabay ka pa, but Jonah quickly getting back with his own. He's gonna take this one. You know it.
Off iron. Jonah recovers. He fakes. He draws a foul. 16 seconds remaining.
Jonah, you know he's gonna take it. You know he's gonna take shots outside, inside.
That's their 7th foul of the contest. That means 2 free throws for Boss Jonah. That one is big. Sablay yung una.
So every possession, critical. 16 seconds na lamang po. 18, 15, 3 points.
Okay, 2-point game. 15 seconds. Down to 9. MCT Hoops. Oh, that's the dagger. That's the dagger. 5 seconds remaining. Jonah. That will do it.
Difference maker talaga yung MCT Hoops, bro. Difference maker. Look at this. Spinning and going inside with the left hand, using the board.
And Team Doggy remains undefeated against Brusco Brothers. What a spectacular finish from these two teams. Still, Team Doggy overpowering Brusco Brothers 19-16. Brusco Brothers put up a good fight.
Hi, grabe nga naman talaga ang pinakitang gilas mo dito sa Motivated 3x3. Ang tanong ko lang, paano mo pinaghandaan yung laban nyo today?
Actually, hindi ko masyadong napaghandaan kasi busy ako sa pag-aaral eh. Ano lang, mga 3 days ganun, bago magsimula yung 3x3.
Ang humble.
Nag-ensayo kami ni Boss D at saka kay Lord lang. Salamat.
Once again, Team Doggy overpowering Brusco Brothers 19-16. What a game we just saw, Pao.
Right, and MCT Hoops proves once again why he is the best player like it was yesterday. But Calabao showed up. Actually, isa siya sa kontrapelo sa kabilang team.
MCT Hoops still proving why he is one of the kings of the influencer world when it comes to basketball. Just proving his worth. Dishing out, scoring, defending, passing, you name it. He can do it for you.